Here I have VIVO V20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So what you have to do is to just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot. The slot will come out, then you can eject it with your bare hands. And here you should put your SD card, and here you should put your SIM card, and then just put it back into the device. And as you can see, it immediately requires the PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there's also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.